Okay, just finished installing the last joist and put the last hanger in. There's almost 100 joists. I think it's like 94, 90 something. I don't know how many it is. 16 inches apart, built in 3 sections. You can see the beam. That's a 20-foot 2x12 sandwiched with another 20-foot 2x12, and then joined on the middle pier. Underneath there's a pier halfway on each side, so the span is only about 9 feet. The span between from beam to beam, the span is almost 13 feet on most of them. It varies somewhat. I didn't get the piers all lined up, but that doesn't matter, because what matters is that the joists are parallel with each other. The plywood is going to go 8 foot by 4 foot, going the long way this way, and so I only have to get them lined up on the joists. I don't have to worry too much about this, but these beams, these center beams, have a bit of a crown on them. You can see this this red line, so I got to take off some of that. I used my water level to see what was going on, and it is because the beam crowns a bit, and so once I plane that, then the whole thing should be level. Installing these joists, there's like 4 nails on, well, 6 nails on this side, 6 nails on this side. These flat ones are 1.5 inch Ticos. These long ones are 3.5 inch hot dip galvanized. That's recommended by the manufacturer, so I just followed that. So 12 nails per hanger, so 24 nails per joist, so times almost 100 is, I don't know, 2,400 nails. Anyway, and you, nail gun won't do it. You have to put them in with a hammer, so that's been fun. And when you do put them in, you want to make sure that they're fairly level, perpendicular to the ground. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, so every one I've lined it up so it's perpendicular to the ground. That gives it a little more strength when a load is placed directly on it. Anyway, once I get this all these joists level, I'll go back and put the plywood in. I'm going to glue it and use ring shank nails. Some people talk about screwing it. I'm just going to use glue and nails, because screwing it would take too long. 1,600 feet, 50 sheets of 4x8 plywood. And then we'll move on to doing some rough cuts, installing the door frames, cutting out windows, and we'll move on to framing and chinking and finishing it out. But anyway, just wanted to show a little progress here, and that's where we're at today.